and welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming. And in this video lecture, we're going to look at code by reference. So another way of calling a function is by reference, and in calling a reference, you copy the reference of an argument into the formal parameters, okay? So it's just so simple like do what we call a pointer. But here we are going to access the address of these elements. That is the major thing that is involved. We have to access the address, and to do that, you're going to use the AND operator to do that, okay? So let's go ahead and use the swap function, just like we did previously. Let's go ahead and create void swap underscore num. Alright? And here I'm going to declare two variables of int, and I'm going to introduce and once you introduce and, they're talking of call by reference, okay? So int and num1 for a semicolon, and int and num2 for a semicolon at the end of that. And then we go ahead and declare local variables of int x, and let x be equal to 34 and put a semicolon, and int y, and let y be equal to 98 and put a semicolon. So let's go ahead and say out. Let's show the numbers before swapping and after swapping. So numbers before swapping, x is equal to x, and let this end here, and numbers before swapping, y is equal to alright, so let's go ahead and call this swap function. So calling the swap function, we're going to introduce the value of x and y right in there, and it will interchange that. Alright, but we have already referenced this up here, okay, using the AND operator. Okay, we have already referenced that up there. Now let's go ahead and copy this and show the number after swapping. So numbers after swapping, and after swapping. So if we run this code, let's check it out and see the result. So you can see numbers before swapping, x is equal to 34, and before swapping, y is equal to 98. Now x is equal to 98 and y is equal to 34. And now you can see that we are able to reference these using the address. We access the address of the memory locations of these num1 and num2. Okay, so that is difference. Okay, so that is difference here. So the pointer goes with x series, and the value called by pointer goes with x series. Call by reference goes with AND operator, and call by value does not have any of these. Alright, so I hope you can see the difference between call by value, call by pointer, and call by reference. So put this on your own system, play around with it, and if you have any challenge, go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.